I'm going to teach you how to use the average if function in Excel in under 3 minutes. If you need to average numbers that meet specific conditions, the average if function is what you need. Let's get started. Here we have a table with product sales data, including the year of sale in column B and the sales amount in column C. We want to average the sales amounts for a specific year. To get started, let's begin by entering the average if command. The average if function takes 3 parameters. The first parameter is the range of cells in which you want to check if the condition is met. In our example, we'll enter the range B2 to B7. This is the range of cells that will be tested to determine if they meet the condition. The second parameter is the condition to apply to the range B2 to B7. This condition can be either a value or a reference to a cell that contains a value. In our example, we will enter the value 2023 because we want to average only the sales amounts from the year 2023. The third parameter is optional. It is the range of values to average. If we don't provide this third parameter, the average if function will automatically use the same range as the first parameter to calculate the average. Since we want to average the sales amounts in column C, and not average the years in column B, we will enter the range C2 to C7. The complete formula looks like this. Equals average if B2 to B7, 2023, C2 to C7. Press enter and you should see the average sales amount for the year 2023 appear in the selected cell. Now, what if you want to apply this function to different conditions? This can be done easily by modifying the condition in the formula. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. To change the condition, simply edit the formula in the cell. For example, if you want to average the sales amounts for the year 2024, change the condition from 2023 to 2024. Press enter and you will see the new average sales amount for the year 2024. And that's how it works.